In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a product ID on Shopify, a process that's simple once you know where to look, but can be a bit hidden if you're not familiar with Shopify's layout. Whether you're a store owner, a developer, or anyone working with a Shopify store, finding a product ID is a useful skill that can help you with a variety of tasks, from third-party integrations to tracking specific items within your inventory. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin. This is the home base for managing your store and is where you'll conduct most of your back-end operations. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to your Shopify store's admin panel. Enter your login details and make sure you have access to the admin section of the store. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to view all the information we'll be needing today. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the left-hand menu of your Shopify admin dashboard. This menu hosts a variety of sections that help you manage different aspects of your store. Look for the Products option and click on it. This is where all your store's products are listed. You'll see a comprehensive page full of all the items available in your store. Now, if you have numerous products, you might have to do a bit of scrolling or use the search feature to locate the specific product you're interested in. Once you find the product you need the ID for, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the product's detailed page where you can manage everything about that particular item, including pricing, descriptions, and images. Here comes the crucial part. With the product page open, direct your attention to the address bar of your web browser. The URL you are seeing serves more than just navigating pages. It also contains valuable information about the page you're on. You're going to look for a specific part of this URL after the segment labeled /products. What follows this segment is the numerical string that you're interested in. This string is your product ID, a unique identifier for the specific product you're looking at. Congratulations, you've successfully found the product ID you were looking for. This little piece of data is incredibly useful for your store's integration needs. Whether you're setting up product-specific plugins or just trying to keep better track of your inventory, knowing how to locate a product ID will undoubtedly come in handy. It's a simple yet powerful tool in the toolkit of anyone managing a Shopify store. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy selling. See.